Hi, I'm Greg Yeoman,
And I'm Mike Hanna. We're the inventors of the original EnviroPod.
and today we're going to talk you through the original EnviroPod from 1996 and all the changes that we've made and developed to the new version that we've got here.
It was developed to be a low cost and affordable solution to remove pollutants from stormwater. We saw the opportunity in the gully pit to provide treatment without construction.
Why did we redevelop it? After 20 years of working in the field with gully pit inserts, we found that the features worked really well. However, there are a lot of areas for improvement. Installation and safety when installing it, making it easier to maintain and to make it more durable in terms of the materials.
So the old EnviroPod had a strut system. These had to be first measured and cut to fit the gully pit. And then they needed to be mounted with these 4 brackets, twice the amount of anchoring.
This only needs one clean flat wall to be able to anchor onto, and it means that it can also be installed from above the ground so that we don't have health and safety issues of being in a confined space when you climb inside a gully pit.
The seals were actually a bit of a nightmare in the old design. They had to generally be cut with an angle grinder since the thick plastic was required. Locating the system on the struts meant that these had to be kind of cut perfectly. Lack of flexibility really in them, as you can see. Positioning it was always a challenge.
Inside the filter box assembly, we've got the new basket, and the basket is made up with a gross pollutant basket, includes a fiberglass batten to ensure that the basket maintains its shape. So it means that you can get a nice large volume of storage within it to create the performance, but you don't need the big heavy galvanised framing. We've got away from galvanising leaches zinc, which is one of the primary contaminants that we're trying to stop getting into the waterways.
So the old EnviroPod used to take around 30 minutes to an hour to install in a gully pit. How long does the new one take?
So 15 to 20 minutes.
So we really wanted to make a product that would last longer, be easier to use, because that will give us better outcomes and protect our waterways for future generations.